This is Brett with German Autohaus, and today we have a 2003 BMW M3 with the well-known S54 M engine. It's long sought after. But anyway, the customer was having an issue with the shifter. He recently had a conversion from the SMG style transmission to a manual, and not too long after, the customer was having issues with shifter dropping down, feeling real sloppy. Well, we got in the vehicle, noticed that the back of the shifter would drop down consistently towards the back, which leads to it being that primary rear centering bushing that's known to go bad on them. So since it recently had the conversion done to a manual, we were guessing either a bolt backed out or something of that extent. Well, after some investigating and pulling down heat shields and such, it looks like our suspicions were correct. The centering pin that came out the back backed out due to no thread locker on there or for whatever reason. But without even really looking at it, thankfully we knew what it was. But right now we have Russ working on it, trying to see if we can get the pin back in without having to pull the drive shaft and do a bunch of extra labor. But so far that part about this gives some it's good news. But see if you care if I get up in there and get a shot real quick. Oh, thank you. And what we're looking at is this little guy here. That's the centering little sleeve for the shifter. Now you see we got a socket stuck on the back trying to tighten it back in, but the pin that goes through this guy and engages threads on this part of the shifter, the lower section of the shifter, just backed out. So thankfully it looks like this will be, if we can get our hands in there to get it tightened down, looks like it should be an easy fix. So hopefully we'll be able to do it without too much fuss, but easy day.